Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to calculate daily calorie intake, and for that first step is you need to know the resting metabolic rate of the body. It is same as that of basal metabolic rate, but it has a different formula. For RMR the formula is this. It is very easy, it is scientifically proven, and it is very accurate. So first you should know the RMR of the person, and then we'll get to know the calories. Okay, for adult meals the RMR is this, that is resting metabolic rate. The formula for RMR is this, and for the females the formula is like this. Formula for males is 10 into weight, it should be taken in kgs, plus 6.25 into height, it should be taken in centimeters, minus 5 into age in years, plus 5. Okay, what is RMR means? It is the number of the calories that are burned when the body is at rest, and the calories are burned, they help in supporting the involuntary functions of the body, like circulation of blood, like beating of heart, and other functions like pumping of blood and the functioning of lungs, and all the involuntary functions what take place in the body, they require some energy. So that energy is RMR. Okay, now first you should know the RMR of the individual. So I am putting the information into the formula. First we'll take a person weighing around 75 kgs, then height 180 centimeters, and age is 26 years. We have to put this information into this formula. Okay, so now take 10 into weight is 75 kgs plus 6.25 into height is 180 centimeters minus 5 into age is 26 years plus 5. Okay, now I'll show you and calculate the formula. It goes like this. 10 into 75 is equal to 750, and 50 plus 6.25 into 180. 6.25 into 180 is the height, is equal to 1125 plus 1125 minus 5 into 26. Minus 5 is 5 into 26 is the age, is equal to, we get as 130 plus 5. Okay, now calculate this. 750 plus 1125 minus 130 then plus 5 is equal to 1750. This is the RMR of that particular individual. Okay, what we got RMR is 750 is equals to 1750. Sorry, it is the number of the calories that the body is burning when the person is at rest. Okay, now we got RMR. From this RMR we need to multiply this RMR into the activity of the person. Okay, the activity is like, for normal people, moderately active, those who are moderately active, like example, they exercise for 3 to 4 times a week, it is taken as 1.5 to 1.6. It is for females and it is for males. Okay, now we got it as 1750. The RMR is 1750 into activity factor. For males we are taking 1.6, so we get the answer as 1750 into 1.6 is equal to 2800. This is the maintenance calories of that particular person. Okay, 2800. Now the person should consume this amount of calories daily. If this person wants to lose fat, so we need to deduct minus 500 daily so that he can lose his fat. So 2800 minus 500 is equals to 2300. So 2800 minus 500 is equals to 2300. So for losing fat, he should consume 2300 kilocalories per day. Similarly, for muscle gain, we have to add 300 calories more to the maintenance calories. That's 300 to the maintenance calories. Okay, now we get this as 3100 for muscle gain. Hope you all understood the video. Now I'll explain you it in a short. Like, step 1, calculate RMR. We have calculated it using this formula. Once we get the RMR, you have to multiply it with the activity factor, like how much activity the person is doing on a daily basis. Okay, then after finding the maintenance calories for muscle gain, you have to add more 300 calories, and for losing fat you have to deduct minus 500 kilocalories. Okay.